Mama, does wash day feel overwhelming and take forever? And by the time you're done, you've lost half, if not all, your day? I used to feel exactly the same until I changed one thing, and now wash day from start to styling takes 2 hours. Let me show you how. Hey Mama, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you the wash day system that changed everything for us. Quick thing before we get into it, if you want the full framework I use to build a wash day routine that actually works, I break it all down inside my free masterclass. The link is in the description box. Go and save a seat. Now let's get into it. So as you can see, her hair was in a threaded style. The first thing I do is unravel the thread. And then I separate the clumps that have formed during the style or while the style has been in. As I'm separating, I'm also removing shed hair. This is completely normal as our hair sheds every day, as you know, and it accumulates inside a protective style. So I take my time here, Mama. If you rush this, you will feel it during detangling, trust me. So once I'm done, I twist that section up loosely and then put it into a loose bantu knot just to keep everything organized. And this is actually what I mean by semi-permanent parts. 14 set sections or parts every time, and those same parts guide washing, detangling, moisturizing, and styling. You can see exactly how organized everything is. No reparting, easier maintenance, everything is predictable. No overwhelm. That saves me time from takedown right through to washing and restyling. That's the beauty of this system. Okay, so now it's time to wash. I unravel the bantu knots, keeping the twists in, important part, and then I rinse her hair first. Rinsing before shampooing helps remove surface residue and makes the hair more pliable and easier to work with. So I add conditioner straight away to all her twists. This gives it time to work while I'm working on each section to detangle it. Now this is the only point where I take the twist down during wash day. The next time will be when moisturizing. That's it. Then one section at a time, I unravel one twist, then I finger detangle first. I always finger detangle first, Mama. Then I go in with a brush, and as you can see, it goes through so easily. No fighting the hair, no tears, and no drama. That's what happens when you've prepped properly. Then I twist it straight back up and move on to the next section. So now I shampoo her hair, still in the twist, and I want to address something here because I know some of you are thinking this. Will her hair actually get clean in twists? And the answer is yes. Yes, it will. You can absolutely do wash day in twists and her hair will get clean. Here's why it works, because I'm working in sections so I can get directly to her scalp in each part without missing any spots. I'm not just washing the surface of her hair, I'm getting into each section, working the shampoo directly onto the scalp, massaging thoroughly and rinsing properly. Every section, every time. And working in these twisted sections also means the hair isn't tangling back up on itself during the wash process, which reduces manipulation and reduces breakage, and of course it saves my time having to detangle her hair again. Mama, I have locks, so trust me when I say this. My locks are clean, her twist will be clean. It's all about technique. So after shampooing, I deep condition, still in the twist. Yes, really, and yes, it will condition well. Again, technique is everything. I squeeze the deep conditioner into each twist, making sure it gets all the way through. Then I put her heated cap on for 10 minutes. The heat helps the deep conditioner attach to the hair faster to help soften and smooth the hair and allows the conditioner to really work its magic. Once deep conditioning is done, I rinse, then I apply her leave-in, still in the twist, I know, but stay with me because everything I've done up to this point has been preparing me for the easiest styling you've ever seen. And this is where it all pays off, mama. I take one twist at a time. Of course, if the patterns get a little messy during the wash session, I just use my rat tail comb to neaten it up. But most times I don't even need to. Her parts stay clean and neat, as you can see. So no reparting needed. As you can see right now, I just moisturize each section and thread her hair straight back. No stress, no tears, quick and easy. And that is the power of semi-permanent parts. Now, if you've watched this and you're thinking, I want my little one's hair days to feel like this for us, then my free masterclass is the next step. It's called The Real Reason Your Child's Hair Isn't Growing, and inside I break down the full framework. What's actually stopping her hair from growing, what to stop doing immediately, and the 5-step system that actually changes things. There's also a live Q&A with me too, where you can ask me questions directly about your little one's hair, and it's completely free. And it's happening Tuesday, 21st of July. Seats are limited though, but the link is in the description box. Go and save your seat now, mama. And if you want to see exactly how I thread my daughter's hair from start to finish, go and watch the video shown right now on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Now trust me, once you see how easy it is to thread your little one's hair, you're going to want to try it for your little one too. See you next one. Take care.